Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you create a Wise business account. So firstly, go to wise.com. So once you're on their homepage, then what you have to do is click on business here. So once you click on business, and you'll be on the business page. So here click on register. So once you click on register, here all you will need your business email address so that you can use it to register for it. So type in your business email address. So for demo purpose I'm just using a dummy email, but you use your business email address and then click next, and here you just have to choose your country of registration, so wherever you are, and then here enter your business phone number. So it's going to send you a verification code to your business phone, so make sure you're putting a valid phone number. So that's it. So just type in your phone number. So once you have typed in your phone number, click on send, and here it's going to ask for your verification code sent to your phone. So just get that and then type in and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, now what you have to do is create a password for your Wise account. So create a password for your Wise account, and once you're done, click continue. So now this should now create an account for you, a business account. So it's just finishing. All right, so done. So now you have already created your business account. So now that you have already set it up, so this is how the home page will look like, your dashboard. So what you have to do now here is, now that you have already set up your account, so what you have to do is just you have already created the account, sorry. So now you just have to set up your account. So click on that setup. So here you just need to fill in your profile, like how you fill in your business informations about, so details about your business and your banking details and all those things, so that you can complete your profile and it's all good to make transactions. So that's how pretty much that it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you.